Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to mute Discord while recording a stream on OBS Studio. If you want to block Discord notifications or voices from being picked up in your stream or recording, we will walk you through how to do it step by step. Now let's get started. For example, if you are recording on OBS and have Discord connected, let's say it's a Discord call. Start by adding the option Beta. Click OK, then connect to the right source. As you can see here, we have not opened Discord yet. So once we speak or someone talks in Discord, it will sound like this. For example, if we are on a call, let's use this as an example. We do not have a live call right now, so we are just showing you how it works. As you can see, it is now on the channel. It is picking up the sound from the browser. To mute that, all you need to do is mute this. Now, the audio is only capturing the apps you want. You can toggle the mute on or off at any time. We have now successfully muted Discord in OBS. Your recordings and streams will now be free from unwanted Discord sounds.